This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tesla windshield. First, carefully assess the damage to your windshield. Small chips might be repairable, but larger cracks usually require a full replacement. Next, contact Tesla service or a certified third-party repair shop specializing in electric vehicles. They will provide an accurate estimate, which can vary significantly. Finally, schedule your service, ensuring you understand the timeline for the repair. Tesla windshields are not just ordinary glass, they are highly advanced components. They house crucial cameras for features like autopilot and automatic emergency braking. Many models also use acoustic glass to reduce cabin noise, enhancing your driving comfort. Furthermore, a special UV coating helps protect the interior from sun damage. These integrated technologies mean that replacement is a precise job, requiring specific knowledge and equipment. The actual replacement process begins with the careful removal of the damaged windshield. Technicians use specialized tools to cut through the old adhesive without harming the vehicle's frame. After removal, the frame is meticulously cleaned and primed. A high-quality, fast-curing adhesive is then applied. Finally, the new Tesla windshield is precisely positioned and installed, ensuring perfect alignment for all integrated sensors and cameras. After the new windshield is installed, it's crucial to allow the adhesive to cure fully, which usually takes a few hours. The most critical step is the Advanced Driver Assistance System, or ADAS, camera calibration. This ensures features like autopilot function correctly and safely. Always check for any signs of leaks or unusual wind noise. Follow all post-installation instructions provided by your service center to maintain your Tesla's integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.